Hey friends, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create this super cute stop motion video using your phone and our app Lapse. If you haven't downloaded our stop motion app yet, please head to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and download it before you start this tutorial. This stop motion tutorial is one of 12 in our series 12 Ways to Animate One Scene. You can see all the different videos here, and I'll link to the playlist to access all the other tutorials down below. I'm also going to link to our Getting Started video. If you haven't watched this yet, I highly recommend giving it a watch before you start these tutorials. In it, I teach the fundamentals to creating a polished and professional looking stop motion video. Alright, let's dive into our tutorial. This is a behind the scenes look of my setup. As you can see, I'm blocking the natural daylight to avoid flicker. I've got my hard light, which I'll link also down below in the description. And we've got our phone and obviously a tripod. Before we dive into the tutorial, we're going to turn our auto lock settings to never so that our phone doesn't lock while we're animating and shooting our video. We're going to create a new project by clicking that big blue plus sign on the bottom bar. The camera's going to open right away. You're going to lock your exposure, white balance, and focus like I've done here. And I'm just readjusting these lines so that they're in the perfect position. Taking our first photo, and what we're going to do is we're going to remove one line at a time. Take your photo. Once it's removed, remove the lime, take a photo, and continue until they're all removed. This one is super easy to shoot, and it looks really fun once you play it and stitch it all together. Alright, let's see. So I actually took a photo before I started recording this tutorial, so I'm just deleting it because it was duplicated there. Alright, let's take this to the next level. We're going to boomerang it, and we're going to brighten it up even more so it looks even more polished. I love this. I think it can actually be a little faster, so let's increase the speed a bit. Amazing. This is only made up of 7 photos, and once it's boomeranged and played at a faster speed, I think it looks really great. And it took less than 30 seconds to shoot. And let's save it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button. It really helps our brand grow and get these tutorials in front of more eyes. If you recreate this video and post it to social media, I would absolutely love to see what you've created. Please tag and follow us at LapseApp for a chance to get featured on our Instagram page. Do you want to learn how to create really eye-catching videos all from your phone? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we're always putting out more stop motion video tutorials. Thanks for watching.